One of his favorite quotes is never, never, never give up, and he didn't. Doctors told his wife he had a less than 1% chance of beating COVID-19. The Westchester man grabbed that chance and followed the voices of his loved ones to recovery. In fact, his family tells me he's tested negative for COVID multiple times now.
This really is something to celebrate. After 43 days at UC Health Westchester, 31 of those in the ICU and 25 of those on a ventilator, Gary Campbell got to see his family again and go home. No wonder he gave a big thumbs up as the people who treated him clapped him out of the hospital. The sweet send-off even sweeter because the fight was so horrific.
Nobody could come in, no food, no drink, and all I did one night was cry for my wife.
We spoke with Gary about his battle at his house, where he got a balloon and poster welcome 2 days ago. And today, his family gave him a socially distanced show of support. Behind their masks, you can see they're smiling because the guy they love beat the odds with great help.
The doctors and the nurses were amazing.
Well, they are so very thankful for your team.
Thank you. Really appreciate that.
Dr. Daniel Tennessee and his team took care of Gary medically and emotionally. When his family called,
Nurses actually put the phone, so the family, they were able to talk to him.
Was he near death?
At one point, yes.
What got you through?
There's only two things: love for my family, love for my wife.
My mother was very adamant that my dad hear her voice, and she would calm him down, and she would tell him she loved him and that we were all thinking of him.
their phones were the only things that connected them. It's how at one point they said goodbye. But Gary rallied and slowly came back to them. People sent love from all over the country. One friend even writing, "Let's beat this damn virus." All of it was just the right push. Gary wants to travel again, go to ball games again, golf again. But at the top of his list, visiting the folks who treated him.
I'm going to walk back in that hospital this summer, maybe beforehand. I'm going to walk.
Hopefully he will come back one day to the intensive care unit after this pandemic is over. We would like to meet him and again have different conversations.
I asked Gary's wife of 57 years.
Do you think that there is an overriding life lesson in this whole thing?
Yeah, material things don't mean nothing. We worry about small things every day, and it doesn't matter what kind of car you drive or what your house looks like. It's what you are inside, and you need to live for today and dream about tomorrow.
Boy, does that resonate. Gary's daughter, Tammy, reached out to us about his story. She says she wanted to convey to people across the tri-state that as bad as this pandemic can get, there is hope. We thank them for sharing that story of recovery.